Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems involving net area functions often confuse students, but we can solve this quickly by tracking signed area changes and locating every single zero crossing. The function g of x is the net area under f from 0 to x. Since we start at 0, g of 0 is 0. We look for points where area cancels. Moving left from 0, the triangle from -2 to 0 has area 2. Moving right, the triangle from 0 to 2 has area -2. These cancel the previous area. Checking the full interval, we find g of x is 0 at -4, -2, 0, 2, and 6. Each point balances the accumulated area perfectly across the graph. Clear win! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore negative areas or miss endpoints. Always add signed area and check all bounds.